not going up.
It's gonna go up. It's gonna go up. I told you. What a nice girl. 2 Karma grips. And if you're wondering why I say what a nice girl, Melissa, the true legend, donated 2 Karma grips because we broke ours. If you saw, or you didn't see it, Benton crashed when it wasn't recording. But Benton broke the Karma grip in half. And Melissa donated 2. So let's all comment down below and say thank you so much, Melissa, because this really does up the quality of the channel so much. And so she got us 1 and a backup just in case it happens again. So thank you so much. I really can't say it enough. Once again, the support from everybody is the only reason we can make these daily videos full time. And wow, that is a burden off my shoulder for sure. So thank you so much, Melissa. And guys, please comment down below and say thank you to her. Also, give this video a thumbs up because it's gonna be sick because it's dumping. It's not coming down as hard as it was a second ago. Where are your pants? No, it's too cold out here. No. Shadow is dying to go play in the snow. So is Roman. But it's too cold, guys. You can't go out there. Said Mom is almost home and then I get to go to work and go snowboarding, right? And hopefully next year he'll be coming with me a whole bunch, right? All right, let's get ready and get out of here. All right, we came to Copper. 10 inches of snow. Should be a sick day. Last powder day of the season? Question mark? I don't know. Possibly. It's gonna be sick though. 10 inches this late in season should be fun. All right, so today is a blue lens day, nice and clear. If you guys do not have a pair of the blue lenses, you should snag one in the description. $23. These things really brighten up the snow. Also, if you don't have a pair of Outdoor Masters, what are you doing? You should snag a pair. They're only $43 for the actual pair of goggles. That's linked in the description as well. But I was thinking, man, we haven't given away a pair of goggles in a long time. So hit the link in the description, enter the goggle giveaway, and get a chance to win some Outdoor Masters. These things are seriously super sick goggles. I highly recommend them. Oh, sick. Daniel! All right, so the snow is insane. We accidentally went down an intense mogul run. We don't know Copper very well. And You couldn't even feel the ice underneath. There's so much snow here. This is gonna be such a sick day. So we came up top of the T-bar. Everything's closed. That was a mistake. We gotta go back down. So cold. Weird transition. We had to come inside and warm up real quick. It is freezing today. Also, we put you on the helmet. We're gonna get some helmet shots from here on out. But man, this is, I think it's like 15 degrees. It hasn't been this cold in a while, so we're all suffering. I had to do a face mask flip. It was so wet that T-bar killed us. It was cold up there. We took the bubble to stay warm because it's just cold out there, guys. We're not conditioned for cold weather anymore. We need a couple more days of this to get back into it. Don't touch it. They don't believe me. The bubble is gonna raise up on its own.
You're gonna make us go back down. It's not going up, bro.
Hold
it's not
on.
going up.
It's gonna go up. It's gonna go up. I told you. Are you okay, buddy?
Yeah, I just saw you like...
Me laying down, yeah. There's a tight exit. Alright guys, this one's Chipmunk, let's get it. We successfully went to every village today. And West Village is dead. Dude, what a sick day. What a sick day.
Oh yeah.
Today wasn't like super cold on the cold spectrum. It was only 15 degrees, but because yesterday was like 50 degrees, today felt super cold.
Colorado weather's got to sink in. It's almost summer, and then boom,
Takes it away.
here's a winter day for you.
10 inches of sick powder. That might be the last one of the season. I mean, we'll probably get more powder tomorrow when we go out because leftovers. It wasn't busy today, which was sick. But man, I could have used the double face mask. I could have used a bunch of tricks today. I kind of was like, oh, it'll be like, yeah. Man, it was cold. With that, I hope you liked today's video. If you did, give it a thumbs up, a share, and subscribe to our channel because we make daily snowboard videos. And there's like a bunch of season left, especially if we keep getting 10-inch dumps. And guys, today's sticker shout out goes to Elevate the Bar. He's got the Colorado Evolution sticker. That's one of the new ones rocking on his board. Dude, thank you so much for supporting the channel. Guys, if you want to get any of the new Evolution stickers, the classic, any of the Evolution classic merch, all that's linked in the description. Warmest merch in the game. It was cold today, but like this wasn't cold. It was all this. And with that, another cool way to support the channel, guys, especially with as the season comes to an end, if people start kind of paying attention to YouTube and or snowboarding and the views die down, the Patreon page is a great place to donate to the channel. It really helps me make these daily videos. And then at the same time, there's tiers, and I get to give stuff back to you. So you can donate $1, $5, all the way up to you can go to like one-on-one shred days, everything like that. So it's super sick. So check out the Patreon page. And lastly, on the note of that, I really kind of don't want to get a job this summer. I want to keep creating content for you guys. So something I thought would be cool to kind of make up some of the gap when the views die down super hard is if you have a season edit, or if you have video from the season that you want edited, email me and we can work something out and I'll edit your video for you. I think that'll be a sick way for me to make up some income, but also help you guys with your videos, because a lot of people bring GoPros out, they get sick video, and then they don't do anything with the footage. So that's another option. So my email is linked in the description, and that's another place where we can work something out. But with that, guys, as always, thanks for watching. Keep evolving, and we will see you next time.
I'm on top of the ocean, living like life ain't frozen, feeling my feet been chosen for something other than motion, yeah. Mama told me I'ma be somebody, I ain't never gonna need nobody, no, I ain't never gonna need nobody, no cliffhanger, yes I so do banger, I'm the new Mick Jagger, I'm the new Mick Jagger.
Are you okay?